In this video, I want to show you how to turn off Wi-Fi on iPhone. Let's say you are connected to a Wi-Fi or you want to turn it off. So I'm going to be showing you how to turn that off manually. So to turn off your Wi-Fi, you want to go to settings. So once you get to the settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down a little bit. You are going to see where it says Wi-Fi. So just tap on that Wi-Fi. So once you tap on that Wi-Fi, as you can see, our Wi-Fi is turned on but not connected. So this is always on, but it used to drain battery once it is turned on. So what I want you to do here, I want you to tap on the Wi-Fi. Just tap on the green box. Once you tap on the green box, it will turn off your Wi-Fi. As you can see, our Wi-Fi is now turned off. So to turn it on again, you just have to tap on it and it will turn on. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off your Wi-Fi on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.